Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's topic, we'll be looking at the essential skills that you require to be able to get into tech. This is stemming from the good feedback that we got in the last topic that we discussed, the 10 things you needed to strategically think about whether you are transitioning to tech from another career or you are new in tech. These core competencies are normally required across industries or across tech industries. So it's essential you understand what they are and work your way around it. The first technical skill, programming and languages. You will need to understand popular essential programming languages such as Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, or Ruby. They're very important because it's quite popular and it ranges across industries. If you're thinking of going into programming or from the technical perspective, something that you need to understand. Very crucial. Next technical skill to web development. You will need to understand front end. So things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript is quite essential. Your frameworks like Angular and backend technologies, very essential for you to keep in mind that you will be database management. So an understanding of relational and non-relational databases is quite like your SQL and NoSQL, MongoDB. It's so crucial for you to be successful in technology. Like I said, the point is cloud computing. You need to be familiar with the different computing platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. It's getting increasingly important and an area that companies are thriving, service providers likewise. So it's a very important area that you also need to think about your domain understanding before you can go into tech. The fifth point will be version control and your office tools. So understanding how to use tools like the GitHub, GitLab, which is used across version control, software management, or project management lifecycle. Of course, things like your office tools, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, as it helps you in running your day-to-day in the workplace. The next point is cybersecurity. You need to have a basic to advanced understanding of security principles, encryption, and of course, how to manage vulnerabilities is essential as a technical skill. Next is problem solving and analytical thinking. You will need to understand how to break down complex problems into solvable solutions, whether it's systematic or software. It's going into the world of tech. Third point is soft skills. You need to understand communication, being able to communicate in clear, concise language to both technical and non-technical stakeholders, be able to listen and understand what they also need to be able to adapt. Teamwork, collaboration is very essential as a soft skill in the tech industry. We need to use tools like Jira for team planning and team coordination. Next is DevOps practices. You will need to understand the principles of DevOps for continuous integration and continuous deployment. The fifth point is business acumen. Understanding how technology aligns with business goal and the value we provide as technologies is becoming increasingly important and is one that you will need as a technologist or an intending technologist to understand how it all connects. These skills can vary depending on specific roles, but mastering them does help you gain an advantage of getting into the tech industry much faster and having a multiple journey as a technologist. If you have any questions or comments, please drop down in the comment section below. And if you've enjoyed today's session, let me know what topic we should be talking about next. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.